In this video of Facebook ads course, we'll learn something new. What is that? We'll learn how to handle all the people who come to our page and watch our videos so that we can track all those people, right? We can create an audience list for them so that whenever we want to run any advertisement or we want to run any campaign, we can target that audience. For example, let's say you have a Facebook page and a lot of audience comes there. Lakhs of people have watched your videos. That means they know and recognize your brand in some way. Now, if I have the data of those lakhs of the audience members, then suppose if I want to show them an ad for my product or anything else, so how great that would be, right, for our business. So friends, basically that is what I am going to teach you, that how you can create your own audience, means how you'll build your audience based on the videos from your Facebook page. Okay, come on, let's learn this properly step by step. So here, now you can see that you are on my Facebook page. This is my Facebook page, take a look. And from the Facebook page, I have clicked on Meta Business Suite. My Meta Business Suite is now open. And here I will now go to my ad account. Alright, so now I will click on the Adverts Manager. Okay. Now here in the Adverts Manager, I will have to choose particularly an ad account and also the Business Manager account. Now it's called as Business Portfolio. But the habit is of calling Business Manager. But you'll understand that Business Manager and Business Portfolio account are the same thing. So I went to the Marketing Fundas business account. Here I have selected the ad account. Now in this particular ad account in the dashboard, so as we will go to the place where we create campaigns. So see, the audiences option is at the top. This option is also available in all tools. So we are in the ad account in dashboard. So now we will go to audiences, right? Over here, we'll go to create audience. We will click on custom audience. Here you can see your sources. We don't need to go into your sources, your website and all. I have already taught you how to do that. We have to go into videos. So we will click on the videos option. As soon as we click on the videos option, we'll click next. Now here you need to choose an engagement type. People who have viewed at least 3 seconds of your video or 10 seconds, you have to check this in percentages. So now I will select the 3-second option. Okay. Now for audience retention is of 365 days. If you want, you can keep it for a shorter period like 90 days or 180 days. It's up to you. We will have to give the audience a name here. Okay. Let's give the name to the audience. MF video views custom audience. Okay, and the description is optional. First we will have to select the video here, which is from the Facebook page. Okay, we will select this, the page that is mine, which has the videos. Okay, all right. It's possible that your account has multiple pages, but you have to select the page whose audience or whose contents views you want to target. I selected the Facebook page and the videos are appearing here. So any video or all the videos which you want to select, you can, and views are still coming and they'll come later. Right? So let's say I've selected 4 videos. Now I'll confirm and come to create audience. Now here your custom audience is created. Now I don't want to do a lookalike right now. We'll show that later. Let's click on done. Now see here. MF, video views, custom audience. Now the data is populating. I'll explain the meaning of populating. Actually, if you click here, then over here, these details will appear. Here is the audience name, estimated audience is below. When more than 1000 views will come in, so that audience will be tracked. That's when it actually starts working. Because whether you check it in Google or Facebook, when you create an audience list, right? There should be data for at least 1000 audience members, and only then we can target it. We can create lookalike audience related to it. So here you can see the task that we have completed it. Now as our video views increase, my data will keep on populating. And if you want to target all the videos, you can target them. And if you want to target one, you can do that also, but the process will be same. I hope you have understood. Thank you.